Okay, I've got another dessert recipe for you. This one is also a winner. If you like s'mores, and who doesn't like s'mores? It's a twist to the classic s'mores. It's actually a s'mores dessert dip. Super easy and yummy. And you can grill this one too, which is what I love about it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to heat up your skillet. This happens to be a cast iron skillet. You could also do this in a foil pan, and you can also bake this too. So I'm going to take some butter and put that on the bottom of the skillet. This happens to be one of those mini skillets, so you could do a couple of these, or you can do it in a regular size cast iron skillet. I love these mini skillets because they're, you know, a lot of us are cooking for smaller amounts of people these days, so you can cut this recipe in half and make a smaller version, or everybody gets their own, which is really fun. Next, we're going to take some chocolate chips. I'm using the semi-sweet chocolate chips, but if you are more of a milk chocolate person, you could use milk chocolate. You can also use a combination of butterscotch chips and chocolate chips, or you can just break up Hershey bars, and that works great too. So lots of options there as far as the chocolate goes. Then we're going to take some marshmallows, and I'm just going to top the chocolate chips with some marshmallows. If you're doing this in the oven, it bakes for about 20 minutes or so till the marshmallows get toasty and the chocolate chips get all melty. If you're doing it on the grill, just keep an eye on it. Again, you want the chocolate to get all melty and the marshmallows to get toasted. Look at this. How yummy is that? And of course, that's how I like my marshmallows. They're just golden. And serve it with some fun dippers like graham crackers, or more chocolate, more better. And just dunk it here. This is going to be a little hot. Whoops, I lost some of the graham crackers, so I'm gonna have to dive in here for another one. But so maybe when you take it off the grill, let it cool just a tad. I want you to be able to see that chocolate gooey yumminess. Oh yeah, now we're talking. I want a bite of that, but it's a little bit too hot right now, so I'm gonna wait for it to cool down. Sticky, yummy, gooey, and gooey. So if you're grilling anyway, heck, why not grill desserts too? And I've got lots of delicious, easy breezy recipes for summer. From desserts to pasta salads, potato salads, great easy dinner ideas, and a whole lot more on my website, thecookingmom.com. Sign up for my newsletter. I'll send you out free recipes, email you out those every single week. And of course, I'm always posting recipes and ideas and cooking live on Facebook too. Just search The Cooking Mom and follow me on Instagram too. Have a great day, stay safe, and take care, everybody.